Hello guys, thank you for being here today. Your support is meaningful to me. Thank you so much. I hope you're gonna enjoy this tutorial. So this tutorial is actually follow along tutorial, that's why it's so long. So you can take less than this time or even more. Just be prepared, maybe spread it out during the week or whatever you want. Honestly, I hope you're gonna still enjoy the process. Today we're gonna do polar bear. It's one bear of the three 𝗩𝗜𝗣𝗣𝗨𝗟𝗔𝗥 cartoon. You probably know it. So wonderful polar bear, circle one polar bear stuffed and with scarf with cute details. There wouldn't be tutorial how to add keychain or just how to make mini cutie like mini bear, mini polar bear. Just be cautious if you're looking for the tutorial how to attach like clip for a key, it wouldn't be there, but how to make polar bear, it's gonna be there. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get started. We're gonna need 100% polyester polyfill, matches, scissors, small beads, bigger beads. With regards to small beads, the size gonna be 1.7 millimeters. The bigger beads gonna be like 3 millimeters, but it's up to you. Just choose like one bigger bead, another a little bit smaller. For bigger beading threads, we're gonna use 0.3 millimeters, and for smaller beads, we're gonna use 0.25 millimeters of beading thread. All of this detail is gonna be in description, so please check it out. We're gonna start with bigger beads and with bigger beading threads responsible. The size of beading threads gonna be like 1.5 or 30 centimeters. It's gonna be enough to bead the whole bear. We will start with 6 white beads, larger beads, putting on one side. Actually, like we're gonna put them on one side, keep one in our hand, and 5 just put further down, and through this one we're gonna meet each other thread on different direction. So if like this should go on different sides, just grab both of these ends and pulling it through till the end to allow like circle to appear. It's gonna be our beginning circle. After we made our first circle, let's call it first row, we're gonna do our second row, which gonna contains of the 6 circles. So in first circle of our second row, it's gonna be like we preferable gonna grab the left side of our beading thread and put the 4 beads, white beads, and we're gonna keep one in our hand, the rest could go till the end. And again, we're meeting our threads through this one bead face to face and just pulling it all the way down to actually get our circle. In the end of our first circle, we're gonna grab our right beading thread, or beading thread end, and pulling it through the closest bead, which exists from our first circle, from first row. So then we're gonna do our second circle of our second row, which is gonna be just 3 white beads. We again gonna keep one bead on our hand and like put them meeting each other, like our beading threads face to face, just through one, and taking it all the way down to get our circle. And after this, we just grabbing our right beading thread and taking it again through the next one bead from our first circle, from first row. Now we're gonna do our first ear. So basically it's gonna be another circle which gonna be on top our second circle from our second row. And what we're gonna do, so we keep our threads where they are. We grab our left thread, and we're just returning one bead back, as I'm showing right now. It's gonna help us to put our ear in a proper way. So right now between our threads ends we have two beads. So, and on our left thread we're gonna start adding a bead one by one. So we're gonna do two white beads. After which we're gonna grab one light pink or baby pink color, and here the tricky part began. We not just continue to adding another white bead, we just pulling one bead away and keeping two beads, which is one white, one pink, on our hand, and like meeting with the floor, we're going through the white bead, so from the second bead from our end, and getting this kind of thing where one bead on top of another bead. We want bead which is on top is pink one, and then we add one more white bead, and this whole structure what we just did, just pulling down to our head, bare head, and then we need to attach this still left thread somehow to the main part. We're gonna return, as you can see, on the bead, which is like probably it's easy to see on the video rather me to explain, but opposite from where we went from with our left thread. So it's basically the closest where our right thread end going. So we return here, and then we're gonna get our beading thread through our pink bead, and in this way. And after this we're gonna go through white bead, which is our main part, white bead, to just touch it and give it some shape. Basically we're gonna get through exactly the same bead we're just starting to attaching our ear from, as I'm right now showing. So, and we're returning back. But interesting part here is that we actually like in the right place, our end is at the right place, but we want it to be from a different bead. That's why our next bead from our second row, which is getting through, with our left hand, still just getting through the bead from another side of which our right hand is going. So all of this ear scene we operate just with one of our beading end thread, so the other end just keep where it was originally. And yeah, we take it through, and it should be where we started and from which beads and which direction our beading thread is pointing. It should be exactly the same after we did all this ear scene. Okay? This is gonna be our third circle of our current row, so we're grabbing the left end. So please don't forget, as usual, to put our right end one bead further from our main circle. So, and we continue with our left end, where we're gonna put our 3 white bead, as usual, to going down one, which is the last one on your beading end. Just meet both like beaded thread ends each other, so face each other, and then pulling down, and we're gonna receive our third circle of our second row. In the end, our right end I'm going through the bead on our main circle, just preparing for our next circle to be done. Then fourth one circle, we again gonna do just simple circle, nothing fancy, no ear, just a circle. We're gonna grab in our left hand, putting 3 white beads on this end, with the same strategy. Just pull 2 down, 1 keep in our hand, and like taking both ends in different directions, so as usual. And then when we did, just grab both ends and pulling through this one white bead till the end. Again, our right end going through the main circle bead, don't forget about it. So we basically touching each other circle to the main original circle, let's say this way. Then we're gonna do one more circle, after which we're gonna do our ears. So basically the circles we're gonna do it and prepare for making an ear. Again, on the left end we're grabbing 3 white beads, 2 we're leaving as it is, and 1 just face each other ends, putting through, and then taking all the way till the end, till our main part of our bear's head, sorry. For now, we're not gonna do anything with our right end. Actually, yeah, we're gonna do everything with our right end. We're returning back 1 bead through the main part, and then on this end we're gonna start putting all parts for our ears, for our ear, which is actually 2 white beads, then 1 baby pink ear. Then we return this end through the white bead again, so just to put 1 bead on top, on like 1 bead, which is pink one, on top of white bead, which we done here, you can see. And then we put again one more white bead, after which we pull in all of this super duper fancy construction till the end, and we attaching finally our ear, which we need to consider where our face gonna be of our bear. And if we get through, we're gonna try to make our ear face in the same direction, so that's why we're gonna do almost the same we did last time. It's where we start applying our ear, and then one bead in the direction of our face, we skip that bead and we go to the other one, so, and then through that bead we're returning back to the pink one, and again to the same where we started from, we're gonna return back. So to allow our ears be visible in proper direction, and yeah, also facing the face of the bear. And here we are like almost in the right place, but again, as we did last time, we need to take our right end on like through the same bit of which our left end is going from, and pulling it through, so to allow us finish this part of the beading. So right now it's look like as it was prior. We start making our ear, and then we're taking exactly the same bead and putting it through all the way, 2 beads, which gonna prepare us to finish this row. In the last circle of this row, we're gonna use just 2 white beads, which we're putting on our left beading thread, and 1 bead gonna go down, and the second one just we put our threads facing each other and pulling it through till the end to get our final circle.